Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dollie'cious Cravings, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. Today, watch how I transform leftover bread into a delicious bread pizza using a pan or kawali. Take note, this is a no-oven procedure, and of course, you can bake it as well. So if you're ready to share some love in the kitchen, let's get cooking. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. Siguro nagtataka kayo bakit gumamit ako ng mga tira-tirang gilid sa tinapay. If you watch my previous video of pizza roll, yun po yung dahilan bakit may leftover. And syempre ayaw natin ng nasasayangan tayo. Let's start by chopping ham and as well as the bell pepper. Next step is to crack the 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk them well. I use 3 medium eggs for this. Cut this leftover crust into cubes using scissors. This measures to 1.5 cups and syempre you can use tasty bread. Do the same thing and cut them into cubes. After that, pour the egg mixture over the cube bread. Make sure that everything is well coated. Alam nyo, super excited ako pag gagamitin ko tong induction cooker ni Xiaomi. I heard matipid din siya sa kuryente. Well, I'll have to find out pag na-receive ko na yung bill namin. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped ham. Using the same pan, add the bread and egg mixture. Cook over low heat. Sa induction cooker naman, set it to level 1 or 2. Let's spread the ketchup. Sa case ko, gumamit ako ng ketchup. You can use tomato sauce or pizza sauce. Sa cheese, gumamit ako ng quickmelt kasi ang mahal diba ng mozzarella cheese. Pero ginamit ko sila, konting quickmelt and konting mozzarella cheese. Top with chopped ham, tomatoes, and black olives or any other desired toppings. Cook for additional 1 to 3 minutes. Allow the cheese to melt and become bubbly. Once everything is cooked, serve hot. And there you have it, our delicious bread pizza. A quick and tasty treat in no time. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy every bite. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love with your friends and family. Let's spread positivity, so no hate, just love. Happy cooking!